Hello, my friend, and welcome to today's episode. I'm really happy you're here. That means you care about your progress, and you're taking action to improve your English and your life. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it's also exciting, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Today, we're going to talk about something really important, something that can help you in school, at work, and even in your free time. Let's talk about focus, the ability to pay attention and not get distracted. When you focus, you can learn faster, finish tasks more easily, and feel better about what you do. But in today's world, with phones, apps, messages, and constant noise, it's hard to focus. So how can we improve that? That's what we're going to explore today. First, let's understand what focus really means. Focus is when your brain chooses one thing to think about and stays with it. Like when you read a book and forget everything else around you, or when you're solving a puzzle and time seems to disappear. That's deep focus. And yes, it's something you can train, just like a muscle. One way to improve focus is to start small. Try to concentrate on something simple for just 5 minutes. For example, listen to an English story for 5 minutes without checking your phone. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just bring it back. This is called mental training. It's simple, but powerful. Another tool is what I call the attention box. Imagine your brain is a box. What you put inside that box becomes your world. If you fill it with one task, your brain works better. But if you add messages, music, and other distractions, the box becomes too full. So keep your attention box clean. Focus on one thing at a time. There's also something called attention snacks. These are tiny breaks that give your brain energy. Every 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Look out the window. Drink water. Stretch your legs. These small breaks help your brain reset, so you can return to work with fresh focus. Let's talk about something unusual, sound. Did you know that some sounds can help you concentrate? There's a type of sound called white noise. It's like the sound of rain or a fan. It blocks distractions and helps your mind stay quiet. You can search online for white noise or focus music and try it during study time. Now let's explore something called single tasking. This means doing only one task at a time. Multitasking, doing many things at once, sounds good, but it usually reduces quality. When you read and check your phone at the same time, your brain gets tired faster. Try doing one thing with full attention. You'll see better results. Sometimes we lose focus because we don't know why we're doing something. So, before you start any task, ask yourself, why is this important to me? Maybe you're learning English because you want a better job or to travel. Keep that reason in your mind. It gives your brain a reason to stay focused. There's also a technique called the visual countdown. Take a piece of paper and draw a circle. Divide it into 10 parts. Every time you complete 5 focused minutes, fill in one part. When the circle is full, take a longer break. This makes your progress visible, and that keeps your motivation high. Let's talk about your phone for a moment. Phones are useful, but they can also steal your attention. Try putting your phone on airplane mode while studying. Or, put it in another room for 30 minutes. At first, it might feel strange, but soon, you'll notice how much better you can concentrate without it. Another technique that's helpful is called brain anchoring. This means using a certain object or action to tell your brain it's time to focus. For example, you can light a small candle, put on the same sweater, or sit in the same chair when it's time to study. After a while, your brain will learn This is focus time. Let's also talk about energy. Your focus depends on your energy levels. If you're tired, hungry, or dehydrated, it's much harder to concentrate. So, eat healthy snacks, drink water, and get enough sleep. Your brain needs fuel to work well, just like your body. Here's another idea: the mental shelf. Sometimes we have too many thoughts, so write them down. If you're thinking about laundry, dinner, or that email you forgot to send, just write it on a piece of paper. That way, your mind can relax and focus on the task in front of you. Let's move on to reading. When reading in English, use your finger or a pen to follow the lines. This helps guide your eyes and keeps you focused. Try reading out loud, too. It helps your brain stay active and improves both your focus and pronunciation. What about speaking practice? When you speak English, speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Focus on each word. Imagine that every word is a small step forward. This slow, focused speaking helps your brain connect sound, meaning, and memory more deeply. Another tip: before you start a task, take one deep breath. Just one. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. This small action helps calm your brain and prepares it to concentrate. Try it right now. It may seem simple, but it works. Let's not forget the power of your environment. Create a focus-friendly space. It doesn't have to be big or fancy. Just clean your desk, remove distractions, and add one thing that makes you feel calm, like a plant, a photo, or a quiet lamp. This small space becomes your focus zone. Here's a fun exercise: the word focus game. Take one English word, like focus, and try to use it in 3 different sentences. Then, try 5. Then, say them out loud. This helps build your vocabulary and your ability to think clearly in English. Small games like this keep your brain sharp. Let me remind you of something important. Focus is not about being perfect. It's about showing up and trying. Some days, your mind will be busy. That's okay. Just start again. Every time you return to your goal, you're building your focus muscle. Step by step, it gets stronger. Before we end, I want to thank you for being here. You've already taken one important step: listening and learning. Keep going. You are capable of amazing things. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't give up. Every minute you invest in yourself is worth it. I believe in you.